Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Boom Voyage. This engaging arcade game is a 3D breakout variant where your goal is to clear blocks by directing a bouncing ball with your paddle. You'll journey through 6 distinct historical epochs, each offering unique challenges and visuals. It's a fun, block-breaking adventure designed for players of all ages, promising hours of entertainment. Before you download, ensure your computer meets the basic system requirements. Boom Voyage runs on most Windows operating systems, including older versions. For optimal performance, a Pentium processor of 1000 MHz or better is suggested. The game file is quite small, usually around 3 MB, so it won't take up much space on your hard drive. To get Boom Voyage first, search for a trusted website that offers the game for download. Many sites provide trial versions. Once you find it, simply click the download button to start saving the game file to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Boom Voyage often comes with a free trial, letting you play a portion of the game to see if you enjoy it. If you decide you love the adventure, the full version can usually be purchased for about $19.95. This unlocks all levels and features, providing the complete experience. It's a great way to try before you commit to buying the full game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.